Hello students, welcome to Smart Case Tutorials. In this video, we'll be solving question number 3 from exercise 9.3, which says, show that diagonals of a parallelogram divide it into 4 triangles of equal area. And this is the parallelogram we are given, ABCD, and these are the diagonals, BD and AC, which are actually lines which connect opposite vertices of a parallelogram. So the diagonals, we need to show that they actually divide the parallelogram into 4 triangles of equal areas. So which means that we need to show that the area of this particular triangle is equal to the area of this particular triangle, which is equal to this area and area. So they are all equal to each other. That's what we need to show. So in other case, we need to show that area of triangle AOB is equal to area of triangle BOC is equal to area of triangle COD is equal to area of triangle DOA. Okay. In other words, they are all equal to each other. That's what we need to show. We also know that a property of the diagonals of a parallelogram, that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Okay, they bisect each other, which means they that this line, okay, this is BD bisecting AC, which means that DO will be equal to BO and AO will be equal to CO. That is what it means. Okay, in other words, that is bisecting each other. So we'll use that property of a parallelogram, the diagonals of a parallelogram, to solve this particular problem. Okay, so we begin with the proof. So before we begin with the proof, we need to do a small construction, because we'll need that. So what we'll do is we'll say construction over here, and there's a small construction that we need to do, and that is we need to draw BL. So we'll put a line over here, mark this as L, and I'll put it as a dotted line over here. We'll construct BL perpendicular to AC. So we say over here, draw BL perpendicular to AC. That is our construction. Now we'll use that later on. Right now we'll begin with the proof. We'll say that about ABCD is a parallelogram. So ABCD is a parallelogram, and we'll mention the fact that diagonals AC and BD bisect each other, and its diagonals AC and BD bisect each other at O. So once we say that the diagonals bisect each other, we can mention over here, therefore AO is equal to OC, and the other diagonal, that is BO, is equal to OD. Okay. Now we can take over here area of triangle AOB. Okay, AOB is where area of triangle AOB. What is the formula for area of triangle? It is half base into height. Okay, so we put over here, we don't need to write half base into height, just directly we can write half base into height. So we'll take the base as AO or OA, whatever, AO, and the height will be this perpendicular, okay, BL. Okay, and we'll I'll mark this as 1, I'll mark this as 2. Okay, and we'll also take area of triangle BOC. So area of triangle BOC is half base. Base is what? Base is this OCO, half into OC, okay, into, and the height will be this perpendicular BL, okay, BL. Mark this as 3. So from 2 and 3, if you have a look, we can easily state that they are equal to each other, because AO is also equal to OC, okay. So we can say from 1, 2 and 3 we get area of triangle AOB is equal to area of triangle BOC. Mark this as fourth. Okay, so you got this. What we did it, we got the area of triangle AOB, which was half base into height, and we got area of triangle BOC, half base into height. Between the two, if you notice, half is common between the two, BL is common between the two, and AO is equal to OC, so they are also common, which means that it's as good as saying area of triangle AOB is equal to area of triangle BOC, because they are equal to the same thing. And that is why we mentioned from not 1, 2 and 3, but from 1, 2 and 3. From 1, 2 and 3 we can say that area of triangle AOB is equal to area of triangle BOC. So we can similarly over here we can write similarly we can show that since we have shown this triangle is equal to this triangle, we can also show that area of triangle BOC is equal to area of triangle COD, then area of triangle can mark over here. Okay, similarly we will mark this as 5, and I will put area of triangle COD is equal to area of triangle DOA. Okay, mark this as 6, and area of triangle DOA is equal to area of triangle AOBS 7. Okay, there's no need to show individually all of them how they are equal to each other, just write similarly, that's it. So and then we can write over here is that from 4, 5, 6 and 7 we get area of triangle AOB equal to area of triangle BOC equal to area of triangle COD equal to area of triangle DOA. They are all equal to each other. That's how we solve this particular problem. Okay, if you have liked watching this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and classmates. Please subscribe to the channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon to receive updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.